The seasons of the year. Hi, I'm Emma. Let me tell you about the fun activities my family enjoys during each season of the year. Spring is a wonderful time when the days get longer, the sun shines brighter, and the weather turns warmer. It's the season of growth. Trees and plants start sprouting, and flowers begin to bloom in vibrant colours. My family loves spending time outdoors during spring. One of our favourite activities is camping in a nearby national park. It's always a memorable experience. At night, my kids, Ethan and Sophia, sit outside the tent and gaze at the stars twinkling in the clear sky. Spring lasts from March to May. Summer is the hottest season, with soaring temperatures and long sunny days. The trees are filled with ripened fruits, and it's the perfect time to enjoy the outdoors. Summer begins in June and ends in August. In some places, it's not only hot, but also quite humid. For my family, summer wouldn't be complete without a beach trip. We love visiting coastal states like Texas, Oregon, and South Carolina to soak up the sun and play in the waves. Fall, also called autumn, is the season of change and harvest. It starts in September and ends in November. As the temperatures cool down and the days become shorter, the leaves transform into beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow before they fall from the trees. This season is special to my family because it's harvest time, and we enjoy visiting local farms. We have so much fun picking pumpkins and admiring the colourful leaves. Fall is both beautiful and exciting for us. Winter is the coldest season of the year, lasting from December to February. The days are short, the nights are long, and nature seems to rest. Plants and trees stop growing, and many areas are blanketed in snow. My family loves winter activities like snowboarding and skiing. Ethan and Sophia especially enjoy building snowmen and playing in the snow. One of our favourite traditions is celebrating Christmas Eve together in our warm and cosy home. Each season is unique and brings special moments that my family cherishes. Whether it's camping under the stars in spring, relaxing on the beach in summer, visiting pumpkin patches in fall, or enjoying snowy adventures in winter, we treasure the memories we create together throughout the year. Vocabulary explanation: daylight hours, the amount of time during the day when the sun is visible. Example: in spring, the daylight hours become longer, bloom. When flowers open up or plants begin to grow. Example: flowers begin to bloom in spring. Camping, an outdoor activity where people stay in tents or RVs, usually in nature. Example: our family enjoys camping in the spring. Coastal, located near or along a coast, where land meets the sea. Example: we go to coastal states like Texas for beach vacations. Harvest, the process of gathering ripe crops or produce. Example: fall is the harvest season for most crops. Precious, something valuable or special. Example: these times are precious because we create beautiful memories. Soar, to rise or increase rapidly, often referring to temperatures. Example: in summer, temperatures soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.